Welcome to HealthyAyurveda.com. I'm Dr. Mike Dhaliwal, Vedic Sage. This video is intended to be a very brief description of Pitta Dosha, and for a more expansive view, please visit our channel and watch the following videos. That said, Pitta Dosha is predominantly fire and water elements, which expresses hot, fiery, oily, and intense or sharp qualities. Because of these qualities, Pitta individuals tend to be a medium build with moderate muscular development. Pittas often have moles and or freckles due to the hot, fiery element. Pitta's skin is warm to touch and they easily perspire. There is a certain luster to the skin due to the oily quality of Pitta. Pittas have a sense of style and great hair. That is until the fiery nature of Pitta develops thinning hair and premature graying of the hair. Although Ayurveda does not explain the mind in terms of Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, Pitta is associated with either the light, clear quality of Sattva or the ambitious nature of Rajas. That said, Pitta individuals, when balanced, are bright, intelligent, and ambitious. However, when imbalanced, the excess hot and fiery nature of Pitta can create excessive competitiveness, grief, anger, envy, and jealousy. Due to the predominance of the fire and water elements and the excess hot, sharp, light, and oily qualities, these qualities can be expressed as sharp digestion, known as Tikshana Agni, often associated with increased acidity or heartburn. The hot aspect of Pitta can manifest as fever, hives, rash, and urticaria. The sharp quality can create irritability, ulceration, and even worse, perforation. The management goals of Pitta are cooling, calming, and moderation. Cooling balances the excess hot and fiery quality of Pitta, and calming and or moderation balances the intense and sharp qualities of Pitta Dosha. Okay guys, this was just a very brief description of Pitta Dosha. Hope you all enjoyed, and until next time, take care.